Hey, aloha, hey, this is Bob. Okay, I'll tell you what. Today has been wet day. Flood warnings, flash flood warnings, Honolulu Bridge closed. So I thought, you know what I'm going to do today? We're going up to Wailua Falls because it's going to be going crazy up there. And I'm going to show you how to get up there and what it's like when this kind of rain's coming down and coming back down. We're also, while we're coming back down, we're going to go for a visit with Uncle Larry. And we'll stop there and just tell him how much we love him and we miss him. And whatever else I can think of, gonna go look for some wild boar on their way back down, and hope I can find some. We'll see. I saw one coming up right where I was. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. We're showing you crazy Kaua'i when it rains a whole lot. Wailua Falls is gonna be nuts. Wailua Falls. If you haven't been here before, that's the falls they used at the beginning of every episode of Fantasy Island all those years ago. So let's go on our adventure. We're going to get wet. Okay, aloha. Rain, nothing but rain. Okay, so flash flood warnings, all that stuff. So now headed up to Wailua Falls. We're going to see what the falls is doing. Probably, maybe kind of crazy up there because of all the rain. So here we go, up the road. I think it's going to be kind of wet. This water's bringing more of this vegetation on the side of the road over the road. Maybe I should slow down. Get your car out of the road. So We're gonna get out now. We're gonna go look and see what the falls looks like. Woo! And it's starting to rain again. Okay, so I've been doing some filming here at Wailua Falls, and I had some really long weed whackers with me, so going along there, trying to keep myself from falling over the edge, I did whack some weeds so that we could get some better shots. So they were kind of growing in the way of the falls. But, so now I'm ready to get out of here. So we filmed ourselves coming in. Wet, 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 a lot of water. Gonna film ourselves going out. Lots of people up here. It's a river, we got a river. There's a curve we're gonna come on, not this curve, okay. The next curve like this we come up to. There could be some wild boar. Okay, I'm gonna take the camera. We're gonna step over the bridge. Let's see if we can see that now. Okay, we gotta look. Sometimes they're over the edge here. Where are you, poor boy? Over. far, no luck. We're going to leave. I'm all caught up in the jungle. Let me out. There's other times I find them over the edge here, but I'm not seeing any. Boar. Uh-uh. Nothing. Nada. Oops. Nothing down there. If I vanish, if I disappear, I'm about a quarter mile from Wailua Falls over the rail. Okay. Well, this is a bummer. When I first got here a little while ago, there was a boar. And even though my camera was on, I don't think he got it. When I get home, I'll look at it. Maybe I'll look at what I got when I was filming automatically when I first got here. I don't know. Okay, well, we'll get out of here. It's wet. It's wet. I'm getting all wet. Everything's wet. And now we're going to be heading away from Wailua Falls. We're going to go down this little road. It's been raining a lot, so this road's going to be kind of mud and stuff coming across the road. Going to be a little bit slick in places if you come up here. Be careful. The road does get narrow in this area. going across the road. Once you leave the Kaua'i Highway, you'll see the sign that tells you to turn to Wailua Falls. The falls is, once you turn off Kaua'i Highway, the falls is 4 miles inland, and this road ends at the falls. So, pretty simple to find. Beautiful Wailua Falls, famous, used in every single episode, the beginning of every episode of the original Fantasy Island. Other movies, the Coke commercial, they did a Coke commercial, looked like the guy was jumping off the falls. Stuntmen do not jump off Wailua Falls. They aren't going to make it. So that was fake. Amazing Race. They used it at the end of an Amazing Race episode. Other movies too. I'm going to turn in here just to say
say goodbye. Say aloha. Don't make me cry. Say aloha. Soon you'll be flying across the ocean.
Beautiful place. There we go.
Don't
right here.
Say goodbye. Say aloha. Don't make me cry.
Just beyond him. Up there.
Say aloha. I will be waiting till you return someday.
Uncle Larry, everybody tells you that they love you. They miss you big, big time.
Say
all of us.